Hi, my name is Zach. I'm from Hawaii. I study in New York at Parsons School of Design, and I'm here in Barcelona with SAI studying at Elisava School of Design. Today I'm going to show you around our prototype workshop where we spend most of our time building things, and we can look at it now. So this is where we deal with wood a lot. So we have sanders, we have this bandsaw, we have that, but if we can't use that, we need permission to use that. We have this, I forget what it's called, but you put the drill thing and you go into wood or metal. Another sander, this is where the tables to make things are. So you have like wood ones and metal ones. So this is where we do a lot of our work. Here's like the metal corner. So this is where you do a lot of metal work. It is kind of scary, but it's not that scary if you're like, you just have to try it. This is our spray paint booth. You can also spray paint upstairs in the atrium, but this is like the most easiest way because there's no wind and people around you. Here we have a vacuum former. Here's an example of what you can do. You put an item in it, and then it sucks all the air out, and it molds the plastic to create a mold. This is more workspace. There are other students here. I can show this room right here. If you look right there, that's the CNC machine. It's like the opposite of a 3D printer where it takes out material rather than add material. And then I won't talk down here, but then I'll explain what's in there. The room next to it is where the laser cutter is, and also the 3D printer. There's only like 2 3D printers in there, and the rest are upstairs. And then the laser cutter, I'll show you an example of what it can do because I did that with my work. And then we'll just walk past it and go back to where I can show you my work. This is one thing that I'm working on. It's a side of a chair. So one of the projects is we have to build a chair. We all have the same chair to start with from IKEA, and then we rebuild it into something else. So I have a partner, but he's not here. We're creating it into a contemporary Art Deco chair, and this is the frame for one of the sides where you put your arm on. The middle part was using the laser cutter, and then these are just extra wood that we bought. This is another project. We bent plastic so it was straight like this, and then we heat gunned it, and then create these curves by using this mold. This is a mold that I made. And then so basically you would put it on, heat it up, and then you press them together, keep them there for a bit, and then you get this wavy pattern. Those are two methods that I've done, and it's really easy. It's kind of scary, but you get used to it.